This is room 6314 in Disney's Explorer Lodge. It's a deluxe room. This is Hong Kong Disney. So as you come in, you have a place for your luggage, a few hooks, we have some teas, and then up here we have a coffee set as well. So a coffee maker, some nice cups, and a water purifier as well. I think this would be the fridge, just a little fridge. Tell them what you can buy as extras. As we turn around, there's a big mirror, and then outside of the living bathroom we have a sink with hand wash, and I'm guessing this is body lotion. It is. A little mirror for shaving in. We have a diddy bathroom. It's a slide door. It's a shower with a rain head shower. Towels, and then your normal lavatory. It's quite a big room. So it looks like we've got 2 queen size beds. 1 Mickey and 1 Minnie. And we've got a table or a writing table. Looks like we do leave adapters. There's an adapter if you're not using the Hong Kong plugs or the British plugs. And there's also adapters for your phone as well. With the room we get some vouchers off merchandise. And also for food as well. Little pen and paper adventurer's log. It's quite sweet. And then we've got some drawers, a couple of cabinets, and quite a big screen TV. The thermostat, just set a bit high. And then we've just got a courtyard view. You could have paid the extra for a bay view, which in the bay looks really nice. We've walked around it earlier. This is just courtyard view. See the restaurants downstairs. We're on the 6th floor and the Asia side. Compared to Disney hotels in Disney World, resorts are small but very nice. Characters are already available downstairs for anybody. It was just a scramble then just to come to your room. This is a deluxe room then, an Explorer's Lodge at Hong Kong Disney.